Hello and welcome back from the 3 Center. Today we talk a little bit about pricing and how much does it cost to be here in comparison to standard oncology treatment. Now we are here in Germany very lucky because usually cancer treatments are paid by the health insurance. However, it is a bit of a very interesting situation because roughly 50 to 80,000 euros, it's almost equal to US dollars, people would pay for a treatment for 1 year for one cancer patient. And the production cost of those treatments is about $400. So it is a very strange situation. The health insurance would pay about $80,000 and the material cost or the production cost for the medication is about $400. We are not happy with that situation because it's a huge difference here. But alternative therapies are also not always very cheap, but very much cheaper than the standard oncology. For example, Gerson therapy is for 2 weeks, roughly at $11,000, $12,000. There's an IPT, it's an insulin potency treatment. It's about $11,000 for 1 week. And for our 4 weeks, we have a 4-week program, it's around $12,000 US dollars. So I believe we offer from a price and service point a great product because there's more than 20 people working with a small group of 12 people staying for 4 weeks in our center. So unfortunately, health insurance yet have not paid any of our program parts. So it means, unfortunately, self-payment. However, the situation hopefully will improve. We are positive that at some point in the future, health insurance companies will at least pay part of our fees. Until then, wish you all the best from the 3E Center and have a wonderful day. Bye.